Hi there, friends. Welcome back. Of course, this is Jeb Adams, and this is the Singer 201K. And here we have some parts that we're going to work on today to put the hook shaft together. So we've got the top of the hook, or the top of the hook shaft. That goes at the top right in there. And then we have the hook shaft itself. I did want to point out, when I was taking this, before I took this apart, I thought that there wasn't a flat spot at the bottom of the hook shaft, but there is in fact a flat spot for one of the set screws to tighten there as well. So I think I had mentioned in a previous video that there was no flat spot, that it was circular, and that is incorrect. So this is the corrector right here, and this is the top part that will sit inside the shaft like that. And then once it is in the shaft, once the shaft is in the hook top, then this screw tightens the two together, and then we go down below and we put the hook shaft bevel gear on the hook shaft and tighten that and mesh it with the hook driving shaft gear, bevel gear. So that's the excitement we're having right now. So let me see if I can. So that's as simple as that, just taking that and lining up that tab, and then getting the screwdriver, the screw, then the screwdriver, of course you can see this is the hook here, and this is the flat area that we refer to when we're installing and removing the bobbin case. So that goes like that. I'm just going to readjust the camera a little here and take you up a little. So that is where our bobbin shaft is going to go. And you can see, if you look carefully, where's my pointer? Here's another one. It's not the one I was looking for, but I'll take this one. And you can see right here I had applied some grease. So there's grease in the shaft opening there, going down towards the bottom. So now this hook needs to be set or aligned with the needle. So obviously I can't set it right now. It's not even in place, but it will be set later. Not in this video. So we'll see if we can get that. You know what? I may not be able to do that. I may have to put the shaft in and then put the hook top on it afterwards. There. So. But we know that it's going to be in that position, so I can just slide that down like that all the way until I feel it seat. And then I can put that on there's that tab to line it up nicely. There's the hook, roughly where I think maybe the needle may be. And then I'll take that. Oh dear. There, that should be close somewhere there. So that's as snug as I can get it. It'll be snugged up after. So that's wonderful. We've got the top part on there. And now we're going to turn it that way. And there we see our grease that came through on the shaft, so I can take some of that off. So I'll just put it on this brush and use it somewhere else later. There, so we have a little bit left there. You know what I will, well, it's going to, let me see if I can get in there a little closer. So here we have the mark that we made for the mesh earlier, and then here we have the other mark. So we'll just, whoopsie daisy. So we're looking for a flat spot. Is that what we're looking for? That should be, because there's a flat spot on the well, we'll just go with the mesh. We'll just work on that for now. This is a lesson in what not to do, because I just put that gear on backwards. I did. So, there's our mesh. Oops, we missed. We missed by one. See that? It's there, and it should be there. Problem is, there's no way to get your fingers in there. Ah, I missed again. There. So that's meshed. Now I want to check up top and see which direction the hook is facing. So I want the hook there roughly, approximately. It was over there like that, so I've just moved it. Tried to center it as best as I can. That will be set later anyway.